Hey tubers, I'm going to be unboxing my Mars II video card today. Wow, what a beast. Little plate here, it tells you what number it is out of 999. It's number 38. Let's see what we got here. Junk. More junk. SLI bridge. This is the rubber stops you gotta put. Right there between the PCI and the card, so don't break your PCI slot because it's so heavy. Okay. Wow, what a beast. I say it weighs about 7-8 pounds. I'm going to be putting it in my Corsair 600T. I got the power supply installed already. It's OCZ 1250 watt. I heard some reviews where it goes up in smoke when you power it off, so we'll see how that goes. Otherwise I'll be returning it back to Newegg. Most of the reviews are pretty good though, so. On the ASUS YouTube video site, they were using the same case. I don't think it was necessary to take this out, but I did. I have no use for it. I only have 2 hard drives, so I'll put them down here. Got a solid state drive and a regular platter drive. I am very impressed with this case though overall. A lot of wire management back here. I'll have one heck of a gaming machine when this is done. Takes 3 4-pin power connectors to power this thing. I heard it's about 800 watts in full gaming mode. Oh, that's kind of cool. The bottom of the box, where the foam is, you got a little ASUS symbol. Huh. Pretty neat packaging. Alright, thanks YouTubers. Thanks for watching.